when you touch the item that sparks joy for you, you feel kyun.
All right, what you're seeing here is my books that are going to be going to Amazon, and also taste test items that are there. These are things that are in process, so yeah, I have a lot of stuff. All right, on this side of the room, this is the stuff that I just haven't been able to get to yet. Stuff from the Winston box, video making stuff, books ready to get shelved, and of course, stuff on my desk that's in process. According to the Marie Kondo way, the first thing to do is to stack up clothes. Now, I never fully moved in. We moved here 4 months ago, and I just got back from a trip in San Francisco where I was at the Fancy Food Show. So I'm still unpacking, and I've also been bringing in other clothes and stuff here. What else to tell you? So I've got foodstuffs, clothes stuffs. These are actually all clean clothes, so no worries there. And I got a bunch of storage boxes because I don't have a dresser. I didn't move a dresser up here and don't want to spend the money to buy one since this is a temporary residence. But got a bunch of these boxes and got some of these. There's one there and one over there, and I think there's some back there. So I'm going to try to make a makeshift style dresser using those boxes and a bookshelf. So that'll be kind of an IKEA thing. I will continue to pack up and stack up the clothes in here, and then we'll go from there. So my goal here, these boxes are full of books and such, and they are going to be going to Amazon. I just haven't had time to process them yet, moving them from our Santa Barbara house to the Seaside house. Down here, most of this stuff is taste test videos. I just keep collecting stuff, so I'm on the road to making more videos, but you can see we've got some moonshine and other stuff there. The problem is I just haven't had time to organize it into this house yet. So down here you can also see we have books that are in process. These are already on Amazon. These are not yet on Amazon, so they just need to get processed. Oh, that's a funny effect of my finger. Okay, and then over here we have some more beer making. We have the Winston box from the Winston box video we did. I have some more clothes, so those need to go in the other room and get put into the clothes stack. This is actually a zipper case for my lighting, which has a bunch of hangers. We needed hangers, so I brought those from the other house. And then over here we have books to process, new phone, bags, more books to process. Yeah, just all different parts of my life have just descended here, and I haven't had time to be organized. Normally, I am very organized, and so this is kind of crazy making, but I thought it would be a really good reason or video making, since the Marie Kondo way is very much in vogue right now. Over here, just stuff on the office, books to go to Amazon, Christmas cards, my to-do list, and a brand new monitor, which I'm excited to be working on soon. Just got it hooked up the other day. So, and then lighting equipment. So this is my office. I'm kind of ashamed of it. I have family coming and I want to get this done, and just want to make a video about it for you guys. All right, so let's get started. All right, so just a little update here. So we have made some progress. Got some books stacked, moved all the clothes out. The office is getting better. Just wanted to give you a little update here. This is still what it was, but some stuff has been filed over there. Just an update. So I am feeling good about the process. Yeah, it's a rainy day. I don't know if you guys can see out there. Raining, but making progress here. So I don't have anything to say necessarily about her method, but yeah. Why am I even talking right now? I don't even know. Okay, I am feeling good about the process. It is getting better in here. And we'll keep going. All right, you guys, so here is my hoard of clothes and such that I'm going to be attempting with the lovely lighting. So you guys can see what's going on. So I have piled up all my stuff on the kitchen table because, yeah, because it makes more sense in here. And so normally I hang my t-shirts to dry and then I hang them in the closet, but the closets in this house are not big enough. They're not long enough. Everything's very short. So my initial thought was to just keep them in my suitcase. But I've been traveling a lot, went out for Christmas and such. So here, all right, cut to the chase. Here's the deal. So I've got 3 of these larger bins. They have lids over there. And then we have a 6-pack of these. So, and also this is stuff from my trip. I've got all these goodies from different companies across the world. Those are going to be for taste test videos and such. More stuff. Look at all the goodies. So I'm going to try to organize all my socks, all my t-shirts, and everything, including the food products, and try to sort them into bins, and then put them on the shelf in lieu of having a dresser. All right, let's give it a whirl. All right, what you're seeing here is now 3 bags full of stuff I got from the trade show. So I'm gonna dump this out and we're going to use the fantastic 6 buckets and see what we can do about sorting. All right, let's get to sorting. Here's the trick. If you guys ever have these bands, all you have to do is turn it over, pull the tab, and voila. It's like magic. Alright, so far we've got here paper, goodies, and I've got one more that I know is all paper. Whoa. And I want to take it out. Marie says take it out so you can see it all. So I'm going to take it out. All right, just a little update for today. I've gotten as far as I can for today. Yeah, I've gotten pretty far. Look at the mound is gone. We're getting down there. I've got some folded shirts there. I've got some goodies over there. But for the most part, I think I'm probably, I don't know, 35, 50% done. So still got socks and underwear, but we're getting there slowly. All right, you guys, I am feeling pretty good here. Let me show you what I did. Check it out.
You feel cute.
Yeah, so I'm feeling pretty good, and I think I'm going to limit this video. The Marie Kondo way has it broken up into 5 different areas, clothing being the first. So it took quite a while to get this done, about 3 or 4 days because I got a cold in the middle of it, and I had just come back from my show and all that, but not to worry about that. I wanted to say a special thanks to Marie Kondo for introducing her way to the American public via Netflix. I'm going to continue on this, and I believe there will probably be a part 2, and maybe even a part 3 if I'm feeling frisky and funky. I will have to put the rest of this away. So, Marie, I just want to say arigato gozaimasu for all of your help in organizing and showing us the way to tidying up. All right, you guys, I'm Robert Jones. This is StruggleSoup. I hope you learned something and feel inspired to get yourself tidied up a little bit the KonMari way. Have a good one, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.